The Infrastructure Construction Edition also has the ability to create interchanges and ramps. So you need a couple of alignments. In this case, I have an alignment here, which is my main baseline, and I have another alignment here, which is my crossing road. And they have to be separated by a particular distance. Now, those distances come from the settings, where you can come in and put in your minimum elevation of overpass and the maximum elevation of the overpass, as well as some other properties. Once you have that, you can then go into the create ramp option, and it's going to ask you to pick a from point and a to point. So if I was to say I want to go from this point here over to this point over here, it picks up those two alignments basically, and we can call this exit, maybe 42 or whatever it is that we're creating, and click apply, and you can see what it does is it creates an interchange and a ramp. Now you can change the properties of that ramp simply by choosing these properties up here. So you can do a direct 90, an on-ramp 90, an off-ramp 0, an on-ramp obviously, certain ones would apply. So this would be an off-ramp 180. So basically what it's doing is creating the alignments and the align strings basically for this ramp, so that then you could model it and create a 3D model, so depending on what you have. So that's basically the quick a look at creating a ramp with two alignments.